Unit 12,
Okay,
Lesson 5 and 6.
1 minute.
Travel Guide.
Travel, travel good guide, advertisement, city break, guidebook, beauty spot, AI generated, uh, untouched, responsible. Do I read also the extra vocab?
Extra vocab, yes.
Extra vocab, landscape, region, incredible, tourist, site, aquarium, South Africa, impact, stall, street market, city tour, excitement, thought, accuracy, accurately, descriptive, introduce, type, hurry, separate, drop, dump, dump, waste, sound, or sounded.
Okay. Type means type on the computer or using the typist machine. So type means يكتب على كتبة أو على الكمبيوتر باستخدام الكيبورد. لكن type برضو means sort or kind. When we ask about what kind or what sort or what type of novels do you read, for example. Okay. Impact takes the preposition on, and it is nearly the same like the word effect or influence. Effect or influence. Impact, noun and verb. We can use it as a verb or as a noun, but effect is a noun. Okay. Incredible, that means unbelievable. Sometimes incredible, we can use it as unbelievable, or sometimes like wonderful. Logi number one. The
The Raj helped us find new places to visit. Travel guide.
hmm, two,
We saw a big shark at the aquarium.
yeah, Lamar,
He is a dash person who always finishes his tasks on time. Um, responsible.
responsible. Okay.
We bought fruits from a small mall at the street market store.
Yes. Mall doesn't sell vegetables or fruit. Clothes, shoes from the mall, but from the market stall. Okay, now expression and collocation, Luigi.
Okay. Expressions and locations. Put something back. Do the hard work. Walk past something. Get busy. Hurry around or around. Go past something.
Okay,
Prepositions.
possession.
Okay. Prepositions. A list of. A long way from place. Care about. In case.
In case means we can use it as a joining word, like if. So it is followed by a sentence. Okay. Uh, Conjugation of irregular verbs, Luigi, sit out, sit, sit, sit.
Okay. Set. Buy, bought. Find, found. Wear, worn.
Okay. We have another word. We were warned. We were warned. Also, it gives us another meaning. Where that mean something torn out or دائب يعني دايب ممزق. We were warned. Okay. Turn off, switch off, turn on. Accurate, the noun of accurate, accuracy. Precise, that mean accurate, precise. Inaccurate is opposite. Inaccurate, heavy, light. Luigi, we walked.
We walked past a new shop on our way home.
Okay, Luigi.
This clock is very dash and always shows the correct time. Um, oh, what means accurate?
Accurate, that meaning gives us the correct time.
Oh, okay. It will be B.
Okay. Inaccurate, that means shows the incorrect time, or maybe delays, maybe uh, advanced time. So inaccurate غير دقيق, accurate دقيق. The last one,
Let's take a taxi. We are a long dash from the cinema. Long way.
long way from, a long way from, we are far away from. Okay, untouched, uh, untouchable. Untouched, that means no one or no person has ever touched it. No one touched it before. Untouchable, untouchable, no one can touch it. It is impossible to touch it. The king was considered untouchable by his enemies, but they reached him and killed him, for example. Remember to leave your favorite untouched beauty, pure spot way you found it. Introduce something or introduce someone. I can tell you, Lamar, this is Luigi, your sister, for example. Or I can say, let me introduce Luigi to you, Lamar. So I use introduce for someone. I can say also introduce idea or things. Let me introduce to you my opinion about something or my ideas about something. Lamar, the examples.
Hey friends, let me introduce you to my cousin Sarah. He introduced himself to the new teacher. Introduce idea or thing. The book introduces idea about sustainability. They introduced electricity to the village from the first time.
Introduce the electricity to the village for the first time. Okay, Lamar.
The introduced dash to I introduced myself
Yes,
to the
correct.
this area on the coast is it's very clean. I think it will be untouched.
Yes, untouched. Uh, uh, no change. That means no one can change it. Okay, or no one changed it. But untouchable, that means no one reach it. No one can reach to it. Okay, last year, Luigi, My family and I decided to visit Cape Town in South Africa.
Last year, my family and I decided to visit Cape Town in South Africa. It is famous for its amazing landscape, beautiful buildings, and of course, the incredible Table Mountain. My mom bought some guidebooks. Why have you got these? Asked Dad. I want to learn about Cape Town, said Mom. That's the best way to see everything. They are big and heavy, said Dad. We can carry them everywhere. We can use our phones to find maps and information online. It still takes time to find information online, said Mom, and the maps are very small. You are right, said Dad. My brother Mazen smiled at me. I have an idea, he said. When we arrived in Cape Town, we took a shuttle bus from the airport to our hotel. It was lovely with beautiful rooms, but we were all tired after the trip. Mom and Dad put the books on the table. Mom looked at them and laughed. I don't think I do want to carry these now. Can we use your phone? Dan looked worried. I used it too much on the trip, he said. It isn't working. Oh no, said Mom. There's so much to see. I don't want to miss anything. Mazen laughed. I can help, he said. He showed us his phone and some paper. I asked AI to plan a city break for us in Cape Town. Here it is. There is a list of places we should see on my phone. I printed it too, in case our phones didn't work. That's amazing, said Dad. Where are we going first?
Okay, thank you. When we start a sentence, we begin it with a subject, a verb, object, and completion, and it is ended in a period or full stop. When we say the exact words that a person said, we put them between quotation. Quotation. This is the mark for the exact words that someone said, like here, quotation also. Said that, also here, quotation. Okay. It says, Lamar, we start at a museum, which is near the hotel. As you say.
It says we start at a museum which is near the hotel. Mazen said we had to hurry around the museum because Mazen wanted to go to a large street market next. We cannot miss that, he said. The market was great, but I was getting hungry. We walked past a stall selling hot food. Can I get something to eat? I asked. We haven't got time, sorry, said Mason. We're eating in 1 hour in Green Market Square. You're going to a big aquarium first. We hurried around the city, going past lots of interesting stores and beautiful streets before we got to the aquarium. The aquarium is amazing. Mason said, Mason said Mom, but I think we are a long we were
Hello?
a long way from our hotel now. Mason looked at his map. Oh yes, he said. I don't think I told AI where to finish the tour. Well, we have seen some amazing things. Thank you, Mazen, and thank you to your AI app, but maybe tomorrow we'll have a slower day, said Mom.
Okay. Artificial intelligence city breaks. Lamar, are you planning to visit a new city?
Are you learning to visit a new city? Don't spend time reading travel guides and looking at websites. It can take hours to plan what to do and how to travel. Just type the place you're visiting into our app and let artificial intelligence do the hard work.
When I want to say how long how long time I uh, spent doing something. So the verb spend is followed by verb plus ing after the time. Spend time, spend 3 hours, spend 2 hours doing something. Also, we can use with the spend. I spend time on reading, reading travel guides. This is spend. Uh, on the other, on the other hand, we can use take to take about to talk about also how long we take, how long time we take to do something. But here, take is followed by to do, not doing. And we ask how long can it take you to plan what to do, for example. Or we can say how long the how long do you spend? How long do you spend uh, uh, reading travel guides? So spend, ink form or on, take to plus verb, the full infinitive. It's great to visit different places around the world, but it's also important to be a responsible tourist. To be a responsible tourist, you don't throw rubbish or trash on the street, or don't damage the environment in a way. There are lots of things that you can do to help make your vacation more sustainable. This is good for the planet, so it's good for you and good for the environment. This is simple. Don't drop trash ever. If you can't find a trash can, put things back in your bag until you find one. Remember to leave your favorite untouched berry spot the way you found it. Think about how you travel. Airplanes and cars use a lot of energy. Can you walk, take a train, or cycle? You often see more that way too. Number three, think about visiting a quieter place. The most famous tourist sites can get too busy, but there are lots of things to see in other places. Don't be afraid to try visiting somewhere new. Number four, save energy when you are on vacation. Turn off lights and don't waste water, just like you would at home. Spend money in the local area. Tourism can be good for communities when people shop and eat locally and explore the area they are staying in. Remember, we live on a beautiful planet and we want to keep it this way. Writing skills, using punctuation, a period. We use the at the end of the sentence, a period or full stop. Okay. Question mark when we start a sentence with auxiliary verbs, verb to be, verb to have, verb to do, and the modal verbs can, shall, should, will, would, and will, and so on. Those we call them auxiliary verb. If we start a sentence with them, or any of them, it is a question mark means yes or no question. So we answer with yes or no sometimes. Uh, or we can use H or WH question word at the beginning of the sentence. So it's a question ask about a specific reason. Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the question. Also, exclamation point. Exclamation point or exclamation mark We use it when we express strong emotion, sometimes with, for example, uh, adjectives, or we use interjection. Interjection that some expressions, when we use them, we must follow them with um, exclamation mark. Interjection are wow, for example. Wow. This we call it interjection. Oosh. That mean when something hurt me, or we can hooray, hooray, when we express support, or pleasure for something. So this is we call them interjection, and are followed by exclamation mark. Also, we can use exclamation mark after sentence begins with what or how, but what is followed by a noun, or followed by a phrase. What a lovely girl Lamar is.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you're a lovely girl. What a lovely girl Lamar is. So this is uh, exclamation. I put the exclamation here because I'm telling someone that Lamar is a lovely girl. What a lovely girl she. How lovely, how lovely she is. Also, it is followed by exclamation mark. This is amazing. So I used an adjective to express my strong emotion. So it is followed by exclamation mark. Sometimes books put instead of exclamation mark, mm, full stop. Other books sometimes put comma, but it is supposed to be exclamation mark. Okay. Also, we use exclamation mark after uh, look, listen, be careful, watch out. At the beginning of the sentence, when we express something is in progress now, so we use the present continuous here. But some books use comma instead of the exclamation mark. We use the comma to separate lists sometimes, but we use comma when we use a conjunction like when. When has two sentences, so two clauses. To uh, separate two clauses in the same sentence, we have only one full stop for one sentence, but we have two clauses: the when clause and the main clause. Okay. Clause شبه جملة. A clause is a group of words which contains a subject, a verb, and completion, uh, or maybe a verb and completion, but doesn't give a meaning alone. It can't stand alone to give a meaning, to give meaning to us. Uh, but it is the same like a sentence. But a sentence, subject, verb plus completion, but gives us a full meaning. So we don't need anything else to understand. We use also comma after yes, comma, no, comma. We use comma before, but we use comma before. So you have one sentence like this, but sometimes so comes at the beginning of the sentence after full stop. So we use the comma after. So if we begin a sentence with so, But before so, if we have only one full stop, but we have here two full stop. The stop full stop before so and the full stop after so. So in this case, we use the comma after so. But here we have only one full stop. So we use like but, we use the comma before so. We use the comma also when we speak about a list like boys, comma, girls, comma, uh, women, women, and men. So before and we use comma when we express lists, a list of verbs, a list of adjectives, a list of nouns. Couldn't. When we give another idea or to another explanation, we can use the current like this, or a list of something we for steps like um, save energy. So here uh, turn off. Here to explain how to save energy, turn off. So he used colon. Speech marks towards someone uh, uh, said or says. So we use quotation marks or speech marks uh, to give the same words exactly as said. We call this direct speech. Direct speech. Direct speech comes in between two quotations, points and numbers. Lamar,
Okay, uh, used to indicate a person speaking. I have an idea, he said. Bullet points and numbers. Used to put ideas in a list in a clear way. Think about how you travel. Think about how you travel. Oh, save energy. You travel when you travel. To save energy when you travel. Spend money in the local areas. Please spend the local
so in this
areas.
example, we used uh, bullet point or number. So we can say, think about how you travel using bullet point, or we can use one, two, three. Spelling test. If you aren't sure how to spell a word, use a paper or an online dictionary. Increase your vocabulary by speaking by keeping a vocabulary notebook with the spelling you learned. Add words you find hard to remember in the list and check it often. Writing activity. Okay. After you finish, check your writing. Do your tips. Include at least three ideas. Uh, at least three ideas when I am writing. I always told you if I can use the paragraph, the title, the introduction, the paragraph, and the conclusion. So I have two ideas most of the time. But he said here three ideas. Three ideas are too long. So we can use only two ideas. Explain why these ideas make tourism more sustainable. Use a variety of punctuation for different effects. Use accurate spelling and pronunciation. بيقولوا لنا حاجات كلنا عارفينها أصلا، مش عارف ليه يعني بيضيع وقتنا في إن إحنا نقرأ. نمبر 1 لوجي.
The Nash is beautiful with mountains and rivers. Landscape.
Landscape, bravo. It's important to be responsible tourist.
Care for the dash when traveling. Care for the environment.
The artificial intelligence.
The artificial intelligence application helps tourists dash their city breaks quickly. Plan.
Plan their city breaks correctly. Okay. Number 4.
I bought a dash for our trip to Paris to help us find the best places to visit. I bought a guidebook.
For our trip to Paris to help us find the best places to visit. Guidebook, yes. Okay, Lamar.
A dish is essential when visiting unfamiliar places. Guidebook.
A guidebook is essential when visiting unfamiliar places. Number 4, bro. Number 6.
The dash at the street market were selling fresh fruit and snacks. The stalls.
Bravo. Number 7.
The museum was listed as one of the top dash in the city. Tourist sites.
Tourist sites, okay. One of the top tourist sites. Number 8.
Go dash the traffic lights. Go past.
Past, yes. Luigi, last summer, my family.
Last summer, my family and I went on a trip to the beach. We used a dash to help plan our visit. We used a travel guide.
Yeah, correct.
The okay. The dash was beautiful with clear blue skies and golden sand. The landscape.
Yeah, correct.
We visited our dash where we saw many fish and sea creatures. We visited an aquarium.
Correct.
We also checked some dash to learn more about local science. It was a fun trip. We also checked some websites.
Yeah, completely correct. Thank you. Lamar, read the following text, then answer the question. Hi, Sarah.
Hi Sarah, I just got back from a city break. It is Istanbul. It is Istanbul, and I have to tell you about it. Instead of carrying a guidebook, I used an AI generated travel guide. It planned everything for me and even showed me maps of the best tourist sites and interesting spots. I started my day at a famous mosque and then walked past a busy street market with colorful stalls selling all kinds of things. Later, I visited an aquarium, which was one of the highlights of the trip. It was such a responsible traveler by keeping the places clean and respecting the local structure. culture. You should try it one day. It's amazing. Take care, Avira.
It's amazing. So we have here after it's amazing! Exclamation mark. Also, mosque is the place where Muslims pray. Mosque. Istanbul is a city in Turkey. Turkey. Istanbul is a Turkey or in Turkey. The first question Lamar Amira used to plan her trip to Istanbul.
An AI generated travel guide.
Bravo. Number two, the underlined pronoun which refers to the to visiting.
Uh, oh, to the aquarium.
Yes, refers to aquarium. Give a suitable title for this passage.
We can say a beautiful visit
Okay.
or a beautiful trip to Istanbul.
Man, it was such a fun experience. You should try it one day.
Okay.
Okay. So, a beautiful visit to Istanbul. Okay. A visit to Istanbul. Luigi, what is the meaning of the underlined word spots?
Sports. It can be even showing maps of the place, sites, and interesting spots. Spots
Yeah,
like
bravo.
sites
Yeah, bravo.
that show
Places
us.
or area. Places or areas or sites. Okay. Why did Amira feel like a responsible traveler?
Because the places were clean and she respected the local culture.
Yeah, correct. She kept the places clean and she respected the local culture. That's why she is considered a responsible traveler. Do you think planning a trip with technology makes traveling easier? Why? Why not?
Yeah,
Yeah, why?
because uh, it make it plans a city break in easier way and very fast.
Okay, because when we generate, we use artificial intelligence generated travel guide, or we use the artificial intelligence to generate a guide for us. It give us plans and also maps, so it make it easy for us. It makes it easy for us. Okay, great. The dialogue. Lamar, Liam and Emily are talking about a trip to a new city.
Okay, Liam, hi Emily. How was your trip to Barcelona? Emily, it was amazing. The city was so beautiful. Liam, that's great. How did you plan everything? I used AI travel guide.
Generated guide
Yeah,
or guide. AI
yeah.
travel guide. Generated guide is better because AI generates, that mean creates.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that sounds useful. What was the first thing you?
Take you went or did.
What was the first thing you visited?
Yeah, you visited.
Yeah.
I went to a famous museum. It was breathtaking. Did you explore the market too? Yes, the Dash market was so colorful.
Visited
The
or went to here. So correct. If you said went, but you said
okay.
was too
Yes,
colorful.
yes, the selling.
And they sold everything from
It
souvenirs
will.
to fresh food.
The Dash market was so colorful. The the things that market sell, I think.
The city market.
Yeah, the city market.
Okay.
Sounds like you had a great time. Would you use the AI guide again? Definitely, it made planning so much
So much. So not beautiful
better.
because the main verb here. Sorry, the main verb here made. So we need here adverb. If we said beautiful, it is supposed to be beautifully. But you can say easier or better. Better is the best answer. You should try it try it on your next trip.
So much.
Yeah, but it is supposed to be more easily, not easier. It's supposed, but we cannot use much and more. So when he put much here, I will not use. I don't. I cannot use an adjective. I must use an adverb because we have the main verb here. So better is an adverb also. Better. Uh, that mean will we can use it as better. Good we can use it as better. So better is the best usage here.
Okay.
Review on Unit 12. We don't need to read the words, I think. The vocab. Common verbs followed by a gerund, like enjoy, suggest, feel like, dislike, consider, avoid, finish. Adjective like busy are all followed by ing. Decide to do, plan to do, agree to do, want to do, would like to do, hope to do, promise to do. So those are followed by two plus verb. Like, love are followed by both to do or doing, but the meaning is different. Stop, try, remember, begin are also followed by gerund or in a full infinitive. Infinitive means base form base bare infinitive. But the meaning is different between both. Stop to do something that means he wants to do something. So in Arabic كي for من أجل But here, stop doing, that means he stopped or kept away from this thing forever. That means عن. So I stopped reading. That means I توقفت عن القراءة. So I stopped reading. I stopped. I will never read anything. I stopped to read. That means I stopped كي أقرأ. وهنا المعنى اختلف خالص ما بين هنا وهنا. Try doing and try to do. Try to do for the first time or a new thing. First time or to do a new thing. But here he tried many times because he failed once or many times. Remember to do something. Remember doing. أنا عكست بس ولا إيه؟ أنا عكست. معلش أنا عكست. I should this do and this doing. I should the contrary. Okay. To do كي أوهو مني آسف باصص للي تحتنا اللي هي to. gerund عن infinitive كي. Try to do try doing, that means uh, several trials. We'll try a new one, but he did one once before. But here, try for the first time. This is for the first time. First time. Here, many times. Many times. Remember doing, he did something in the past, he forgot, and then he remembered that he did it. So this is remember. Remember to do also for the first time. Begin. Uh, begin doing to continue. Continue something he began. To do, we'll start doing something for the first time. Test on unit 12. Okay, as long as it is a test, so we can. Who can fetch the listening?
I will try.
Okay, that would be great. It is supposed to keep down. The speaker took from the airport to the hotel, so take a shuttle bus or a bus. She admired the stunning.
Okay, this is unit 12.
Yes,
Yeah, my uncle is a tour guide. He loves speak. No, it's not this. Oh, the big. Last year, my family and I visited Rome. I visited Rome. Yeah. Rome, Italy, famous for its amazing history and beautiful buildings. We took a shuttle bus from the airport to our hotel, which was near the city center. My brother was used an AI app to plan our day. So we visited the Colosseum, strolled to a famous street market. I admired studying Poetry. It was a busy day, but we loved exploring such a fascinating city.
Okay, number one, Rome. Number two,
Shalabat.
number three,
Fountain. But
number one,
center. Center.
the city center, the city market, the city fountain,
No, it's city center.
city center. The speaker's brother used an
AI.
artificial intelligence, yes,
Three.
a famous,
A famous dash market. A famous.
a famous trade market.
Yeah, a famous street market.
Okay, Luigi number one, the
The dash told us a lot about Afghan's culture and history. The guide.
we should learn more about
We should learn more about recycling and reduce pollution or waste. Sorry.
Lamar. Last summer, mom and dad planned a vacation for us in Florida, but we had to have a
Summer, Bob and Dad planned a vacation for us in Florida, but we had to have a dash instead.
yeah,
Staycation.
correct.
Instead, we were supposed to fly a, with an airline
Yeah,
to a beautiful resort by the beach. But their dad was sick for a few days and we had to cancel our flight. We were very disappointed, so Bob booked a local city tower and asked a guide to show us around.
that's beautiful. Okay. Luigi, in recent years, more travelers have chosen sustainable tourism.
In recent years, more travelers are choosing sustainable tourism and homestays instead of staying in big hotels or resorts. Homestays offer a unique chance to learn about the culture of a place as the owner often shares information about the best local attractions, restaurants, and transportation. This supports the local community and encourages visitors to explore less crowded areas. Many communities teach visitors about their history of food, creating full experiences for both people to see what real homes are like while avoiding the uniformity of others. By choosing eco-friendly options, travelers help preserve natural resources and ensure tourism benefits everyone.
Two words in the text that have similar meaning are sustainable and,
Eco-friendly.
yeah, correct. The underlined pronoun there refers to the,
Their communities.
yeah, communities. Title to the text.
Uh, tourism benefits everyone.
Home, homestays or staycation, for example.
Yeah, staycation.
Yeah. Number four, why do homestays offer a unique chance to learn about the culture of a place?
Uh, it offers a unique chance to learn about the culture of a place.
Yeah, right. Owner of often shares information about the best local attractions, restaurants, and transportation. Okay, number four, eco-friendly traveling options.
Um, it will be the natural resources and ensure tourism benefits everyone.
Yeah. Do you prefer homestay or hotels? Home. Why?
Homestays,
Homestay. Okay. Why?
because like
Because it is
uh,
eco-friendly, for example. Eco-friendly, or it saves our planet.
yeah, and it's avoiding the uniform, uniformity of hotels.
Okay, تشويه. Okay. أشرف أشرف stopped لما ألوجي. أشرف stopped.
Ashraf stopped Dash when he was full. Ashraf stopped eating.
Yeah, توقف عن. Okay. Did you remember?
Did you remember Dash B to burn?
To bring, yes. Okay. Uh, Lamar,
We were planning Dash Jordan, but we couldn't go. Planning to visit.
plan to. Okay. Enjoy.
Uh, did you enjoy having
Enjoy doing, but plan to. Promise.
promise to to send
Promise to do. Plan to do. Suggest.
suggest uploading
Doing. Avoid doing. Deny doing. Admit doing. Okay. Uh, Luigi, Abir, and Jamal are talking about their vacation.
Abir and Jamal are talking about their vacations. Abir, hi Jamal, did you go anywhere interesting last year? Jamal, hey Abir, yes, we went to Hurghada and stayed in a fantastic uh, hotel on the beach.
I stayed. Uh, um, I stayed in a fantastic on the beach homestay.
It can be homestay.
It can be. Interesting. Last year, hi Abir. Yes, we went to Argada and stayed in a fantastic hotel on the beach. Let's see what's going on from the following sentence. That sounds amazing. Did you see anything special? Oh yes.
Oh yes, we saw what beautiful. It was our first time there and we loved it. What about you? We didn't travel. We had a dash in my city. We had a staycation.
We had a staycation in my city. Yes, staycation.
There must have been nice. Here we are dashed to visit Giza to see the pyramids. Next year we are going to visit.
Next year we are going to visit. Yes, we are going to.
Okay.
We visited the pyramids last year.
Arash told us fascinating things about when they were both. You love it. A guide, a tour guide or a guide.
A guide or a tour guide. Okay. Here,
Say,
a homestay, yeah. Homestay, or maybe a hotel, a fantastic hotel on the beach. But it's homestay better because hotels cannot be on the beach.
yeah.
Okay, plans for your next staycation. Yes, staycation. Review day. Green transportation. Hybrid and electric cars. اوكي الرغي كتير والحشو كتير يخرب بيت كده. I don't know who and why you give such.
Mister, we can't take this homework.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Yeah. Like this, we finished the OL.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, about EL. How about today at 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock.
Six, is 6 o'clock okay?
Um, yeah. Yeah. But I have a
Oh,
lesson at 7. So we will finish this on 7 or.
okay. So by 7, before 7 anyway. Maybe 6:45, 6:50.
Okay.
Okay. So from 6 to 6:50, for example.
Okay.
All right. Uh, I'll send you this also.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you. Goodbye.
See you. Bye. See you.
Bye.